me da se wo de afidi ato ya na amanfo eka se we de onyansan o we de oninyansan o we de onimade o we de onimade ne ya kasa obi nimade a enye obi okasa na wa pass exams ya dwene adesua ho am ye gyan atenka epo ho. We have all tried to master classical intelligence. We've ignored emotional intelligence. Na brabo aye boy ya tinka na Kenya ya mpia yeko. Yeka emotional na move wo emotion, the energy that moves you. So here bibia abesua ho ade na wakwadere mu yi a eye wa tinka. Enti wade bi afa na emotional intelligence. Obi a wo nyansa apo e wa tinka mu. Ene na me no beto na muntuo. Yeka emotional intelligence it is your ability to monitor and to understand your emotions and the emotions of others. Se obetimi ahwe se mabra boy ya meboy ene we me bibefu we me dia werehwo we so ame ye be ha obi na wotimi aka se menye. You are able to monitor your emotions. Utimi ede watenka etusania so akiremu. To so biom self motivation. Se utimi hye ho kran na de ode asi wani so no wode akire se meyo emfa ho akwanside emfa ho fomso emfa ho nkuguo wode utimi hye ho kran esore efri nioma ebu so na ma won se fom no eno a component of emotional intelligence, the ability to motivate yourself. It also means self control and so so we want to say we be fool enema o kachira ho no enema obofu no esori yi so hu se wodi awere ho a enema o koso kachira ho no enema awere ho no etintim ena hu se wodi ohia ana bibi atosi obrabo mu a enema o kachira ho entisa wo hye enema o kachira ho so na adane mu a obrabo ebedane abufuo de tora bi ebeboa emo ayi enema anya mfiri ho be ma obu mfu kosi se wode ba de anya ema were ho kosi se be obegya wade die obu an ose me were ho me nidi obu an were ho a onware were ho na enye obi na san wadwene mu nsem a wo ka kire ho and regulate your thoughts to regulate your emotions. The ba na ya de anko ye de afomso na ba enya ba mentina ho ahwede asu hye watenka so na atenka no ntimi nhye so kosi se obehye nya wodwene ho so na wasakra ne ma wodwene ho eno so akire se wapo atenkam to so enan efe na empathy yese obenya atenka ma obi se de ono so atenka te na woni nipa no aka bomu atenase to appreciate the feelings, the needs, the concerns and perspectives of others and treat them as you want to be treated. Obey nipa se de opese yema won efe na empathy. Se empathy wa ware mu anka je ne se abraba se empathy wa ko bi nwa obi ebi ni kro no ena ye wo empathy for yourself wan ka se unhu mobo na to atenka se wo empathy wa ho a unko wensa unko no madu bone onipa se unya ehumobro de mano kane eye wa ho na wanya bia ma obi kura no se usua se refa nyonkofa onipa bia wontimi ntra ho so nko. No man was made as an island. We are all made to relate. So we share say the nkafo be nkita ho. Na nkita ho die eye nyaade be ma obi. Nkita ho die eye de abaya ma nipa kro. Nkita ho die eye nsam a be ka kire nipa kro e beto na somu a be hye ne nkran ama wakra wo yie. Ti no man num wei e na kire say wapo o watenkam. The first one is self-awareness. Are you aware about your emotions? Atinka be na ekura wo ne de wasode ebobo awreho issue ebufu jamu manenka emwa se wo chi sa atinka bia fa no kotu balam na ka che won se enne maso na giemu enne me ho betome enne me komanim akoden ambadin kunim enne ebeyi enne me se nyame hwemo bia be mfaso me na betie bia no medin kunim na hye hu kran sei na kan sensem pa bo se be kenya atenka foforo wo mu na empo hu kran hye abehye no ebe boa mo atwara mo ntuo so hwe wo kunu ka say bema wo na more no bema fun we dabi o ka say bema fun ama wo dan asese oye kunu pa na da yira say wo de da be hia ni papa na me hira wo so wo kan sempa we cheri pa ko na wo kanya no e mo ye ne papa e kire wo efe wa hye wo kunu awie no na onipa no ye bibi kura enya wa hye wo ho so say oye onim anka wanye sento any say no onim and oye kire me. When you appreciate people's concerns and their perspectives, you easily forgive them. Waprank wanye enti me de channel ma hye me ho so yenko ani mu bra we ne saa wa brabo ewie peyo kra no stay away from the morally impure. Suban bi wo ho amanfo ye bi eni bi wo amanfo de na de se na mafo suban bisa wo se eso etne na suban papa suban de ni die ebre wo bi ana ye bi dina bi sana man you free have nothing to do with it and avoid it obi ye bi tidian obi he nufu tidian obi a o hye nufu a odi bi ka na chi hu no o hye Nyankopon atwetwe dan kwa ma o beti ho aba yade na wo to ama no ho enti obi ye bi a eno nche se obi ye bi ene nkwada nyina ye betting me betting koso ye nkwada nyina ma ho so me ma me so stay away from the moral impure. We are bema o me namfo nyina chese gas man chese be ka say me me guy yo enchire emprantwe bebebe guy yo eche no kredi abedi ama obusua wo kani no ma na say we are guy a great, unique and yearning. Great. Abrabo edimu. Unique. Abrabo da sonko you. And a wino. Abrabo no says yes when he has to say yes. That's a guy. G-U-Y. Great, unique, and yes. O kasa o one ane o ane. And a debi or die. And now a guy. Guy you be o dish actually. Obi a maybe. Obi a kameka be. Debbie. So for you to say you are a guy, be genuinely grateful to your king and be great. Focus on making great achievements. Me, abraba me bo impese me ye no ma bi a ebi sida. Impese me kan sem obi nkan bi da. Ebeso ni pani. Focus on great achievements. What I say? Nti guy great. Focus on being unique. Ma wo suban enna soronko. Unique, you can unique with the mufua. Guy, you me suban ne me ne ye ne me kasa bedam sonko. And na wine ye yes. Me ane me ane and me debi me debi. Me bibi ni wa bebu ma bemuda. Makase we na me yo no, me yo. Makase we me yo no me nye. So run away from the impure lives that are being led today. Me dase. Onyame enka ho. Wachina onyame ya adomu a na Adom din ya Adom TV a be san hia me am de dwumadi ebre wo edin am yeso ya ni tekotego na me da se wa sew mre kakra bi ni me anante onyame enhira o na me na camera for sound na MC da kro bebo mu din nyina kire wo na afi me na Sandra na Priscilla so ase na me koe na badwa madwumadi na yekoso ade no enyi wa fidie no nko ba bi na mana na Adom TV onyame entina.
No sia boade shimama ya mamunyina chen ya bo akwa bada wasesa wa fidie ne da Adom TV ni teko tego so yada na sinin kranshan sama no pai wode amayene na wawie ne saado no sia bonti no sama si ye memu na braso sauti bi sa Adom kase oba Facebook stesia /Adom TV yadem live ho na se Go TV na wo ahwehwe wo channel 176 na ye DSTV so benya Adom TV wo 280 anopai mi amesomo midi afia amankwa tamaklo samne ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini PNC amanyoko ne said death penalty no e wo se sa ahwade fi se enipa bi afa bronya ho renkra kase dodo ye de mu som no ebeba Sanso and openi ba could be a dear to just a free SHS no. Said the addition be cancer yes semu yen review ni adieno. Ojidi e wasa ba ni tie no ne sembi and an opay mede bro sa Adom kase. Afia ni die kwan so tie said and some no enchiremo ankasa etie. People's National Convention PNC amanyoko ne say ene ade abachi bia yakum wei ne sa nwonwonan. Ehu behia se death penalty na ewo ya mamre mu no esa sori ekenya no ho ebiem twetwe ni de ma PNC Janet Nabla ene de sansemi etuja
from 2018 yen kan say 2018 na ritual murders started your debut but ye started from 2018 about 2022 and a wish number of ritual murders okay no is between women and children a man nkwala nkwa na ya ritual murders omo hu say omo ye vulnerable in society omo ti shiro muso nti the PNC ye can say the number is increasing day in and day out. It means measures na ye di to ho say ye fan kuntia sa ritual murders we enye juma death penalty eni mfaso a anka omo mfamba death penalty wo be hu say omo di live television telecast say we mu omo ye ritual murders ena ye be kum omo ene obi anhwe all televisions all radio stations are tuning in social media to the death of those people obi abesuro enye ne kure analyst bia obeka kire o say omo ku omo krampo enkosi hu eye enye ne kure nipa kru no chontro because ebeko ko do hu ebe ye bibi because number one almost raw life imprisonment biom aden say we be sorry na obi ahwe ne nkola from childhood obeko nursing training na we be kokoku nipa kro no how started from
Bayanto akasia no so na adwene bi a Ghana fo bi mpanimfo animdifo wo nwomasuamu wo modi aba se free SHS nhyehyɛ no yen sakra mu nom ne ade no Dr. Ishmael Yamson esusu se eye ne kwaso ano no wono mo eye adwene na wo cheche ne nkasa mu no se edamu pefe se oha wo twitwitwi kakra bi wom tie ho behia sa ban ne tie na so pemu na fe oje adwenkyerɛ awodo betimi aboa ama free SHS na gane na so na aboa sa de no bota yetie Adom TV kase ne no edi nkomoyi.
There was history to learn from. We could have gone to that and said, what went wrong or what were the difficulties that scheme faced, which we must avoid. Even in Nkrumah, in his case, he built the schools, trained the teachers before starting free education. We didn't build the schools, we didn't train the teachers. And yet we said free SHS. And see, I mean, before there, it was a very laudable program, well-intentioned. But the execution, we now know that there are major problems. So there should be a rethink.
Enwechi Dr. Yamson ya wono ene yetitere ni Dascancom Ghana Limited eka de to aso se e wasa aban no eye nhwehwemu yie sebe ya krobi obekoso no obehwehwe wono mu a ehia wono mu ankasa na wo the free SHS policy no ama wo mu na wono mu wonsem bi obetimi atua no so onya wo mu ema wontua
Bebre wo Ghana ekene won fa once the pomra wonya. But we would know those people. We should be able to know. Because after all, there are many people who are on support a fund. The me pan our bar in their own to be school. The me pan never require SHS. We don't even have to.
So for yeah, we share fisheries near aquaculture so. We am Russia bedwani so the ma de share we to Senior East. Mami Mavis how Kumsen the futuo na ma education penifo. Se suku adan ne mu akade nyina na kyerɛkyerɛfo sukufo obi bia nhwɛ se de hyɛ wo nsa wo mbɛhwɛ ne yi ahwɛ so yie se bɛyɛn se mra no bra no na mfa haw emeto aban no so na mmom so wo hwɛ ne yi a so mfa so no kɔ e de ma kyerɛkyerɛfo sukuu mpanimfo ne asuafo Adom kase etwa so
yes re ya na Ghana the culture of maintenance ne a problem mai ye ya ade ne fefefe ye wi a ye nim se ye besiesie ho when siesie ade bia ho so a eji nsem se na ye hu classroom block fefefe esi we Say by next 2-3 years, yama yensa nkɔ ho, yama painting ne some renovations amba ho a enche. Eti me stress yema culture of maintenance no enye part of us.
Municipal Chief Executive Aono Ewutu Senior East Anita Love Obo Emisa enso nsɛm ɔde to Adom News enim ni bini.
Na indeza yeru wi oyefe na nyane ma me nsan no adwuma ni bi abro Ministry for Special Development Initiatives nyame na dumara aswoman yenya ebasa we wiye press ma we use that in the yabe commission why Methodist on chair Anglican school da ibi no pona was a private school on private school it's a Methodist school na nyane ma me ono bu me bisa okumse
Ewutu Senior East Municipal Education Director Faustina Alimatu Brahma enso edin sembi eto Adom News enim.
Badwam was ne monso adwuma pa mo sa classroom block here enije pa se yenya bibi etise efise kaso ha no ye wo mofra bebre enso yenni ho infrastructure.
Asankafo ya womo efa kaneshi odoko kwantempo no so no srempanifo ese kwan no adane ofidie mmerade demu no ano odene wani na obomu a ka na nto wantwene a wokoba ana wotai ene payadom kase amano boni owusu prince owusu asiedu ebo aprofa ho asankafo ibi ne no edi nkomwe
o fabere wa kran pom beso be fo kale se kwan no ebe yihimne sa enra sei yedu odoko ya zoba ese okwa isi ubogant na ade nyina okwa akwatoto foforo nti slaban na kwan de omehwe maye
another 3 days crowd my bomb room crowd my papa me risk room just me grass ni na benji side na baby grass e ma me ka ona eduma me ye na sis week scare by ni so don't do me dan ye ma maka ni park me si wo
nti gates covers no mom scraps for no mom chi scraps no omo yi gates covers ni nyina nti nsuo ni to a anwea no etwe anwea no ekogota ni mu straight enu kosi nchen a ekwan no efiri ha sa ekosi quarters no ekwan na tutu service lane de ni nyina tutu asa we driver wonam so na say wa mo wadwuna ma so wani fu we fi 1 seconds to na a lot of problem ne beba
me amede amane boy efiri first light kaneshi ede ko odoko eye kwan a etutu eso brel no medin ede prince owusu esiedu
Board Chairman Dema Right to Information Commission ya Justice K.A.O. Foriata ene wadi ato aban enuma ahodo ere ankrankra animo say Right to Information Act 989 no obi anyintum sabaye bemma kwan na se Ghana ni bi ewo information bi anasem bi a wonsuro mfansha no ho ne mum wade ba badan empenufo na fei prepare ye no kwaridie nso aye adwuma ewo aban enuma ahodo mo Adom kase edeba.
From darkness to light is not always easy. The information or the tendency for people to hold on to information as if it were their private property is now gone with this law, the passage of this law. This is a sunshine law. The sun is shining. So let us see what is there. In any case, the information does not belong to you. So why not release it? And people, this is what we are fighting. And I think if you want to build a Ghana that is transparent, Ghana that is makes people accountable for their actions.
And wachi ena executive secretary ya woda RTI Ghana ano ya osapomboaten editu dwase be se mfie mienu komiense ni asoyeyi wopa hontoma akwansidie pi ena wonum ahia na wogidi yese asoye no gusua eye adwumaden ehwe se de omanfo hia no obetimi ede ama wonum
eno na emise amanfo nyanya omoho ntiase se na wamaya so out of secrecy na wo san busa yese asem no ye fa ntudwa no ekwan ben so na ye be fa na ye de atudwa emra no so enya ndu akire mankofo ntiase nti na mi se ama institutions ni bebre no obekọ ho no se mini information officer ana se yeni nia ye fe no information unit abebo ama ye de information no ato abontin ye gidi se adwumadie na ye di nani emu nkyerɛkyerɛ embra ne mu nkyerɛkyerɛ mu no ebema amanfo atiase na
asankakuo bi a wofra won ho coalition of concerned achievement station drivers se nei die womo ani ba brepa fi se wo yo shankani na woni nkabom ko bia wo tachima ne mpota modia wo mpene omo lodu kwan honom ne ade wo mpene de enti amenne sanka bom kwedi nsemi tu dwa na dom kase ni bi ekasai
ya kwan mo be kwan maye because the from ambulance ni se kwan ni nye ito mo ma ito ye mwa ito je kwan we da hon ma che so many years ya kasa obi ya ito ya ho chire ye ito ya ba mo cha mo be di kwaye before you go to the hospital ube wu premature e bia so agbada ni wu agbada ni premature agbada no se si e ku se o si gasbaro we look at scan ni ho there is no mercy as such as the year ma ya olu fo se se ni ko kia the bad one almost like any ho e ji say ko akoso yes you find so much of
local chairman na wada GPRTU ne fa ewokpon wa no Isaac Amate enso de to yamane boni animu se ne ayekoso e wo no mu kro mu honom ne de enya de se fata kura ne senti ehu behia se ni manimu ya ban ba be sisi won kwan ama wo no
wenu be ye mre bi atwa mu no ya GPRTU and ye contribution and ye SSC kwan no for second time ya ho na Pentecost church so mo so se de kwan no mo ni ji ho ana mo be ye say yes ana kwan na bu ya ho de so eti yesre stakeholders na wa around
Facha yempa ni weno eye adrobafo a wa kuse so menya pon aso atwere ne mpotamu na won ye kyere de atia mpanifo se wo mo ekwan no mpanifo nyema wo me nyina no so na Adom TV bedwam kase anopɛ no aha na brema kwan na ye de asie de edu so no se de mbon krata no aba nseme wo mo ene online stories no ebraso se ma mekyra Diamond o man hene kwabna sante wo mo so ede etwa so adofo memma mo akwaba
ye nua
ebi aboko
Awurade Adom so no so e
Yankopon Adom
ebi ye boko na ho asofo amu no omo die ne se ye hwe na omo behwe bi ni ene ma bi atutoto esi wo
ana osofo do onye nipa
ene wanu idi aba no pay se asema make o mani isi kra oji akoma sofo se sofo de onye nipa na we de se asema make mama no kra isi na hu asempot ya make
na se si ade wa kan wi
monto odmo je nso
wa ma adwuma ne mboa
Oh, right, Jacobo. Oh, da hima for me, Rumpa. Me bo bi a chef ya ba kwa gina nyina na mama wakwa baba. Eye bedwem on Adom TV, djubedi kese ye di so da ase. Bibia da de kan se da ase pa. Se won kan ho bia enwie peyo ana intimi ndi mu so wie ema bibia ya kama. Ti bibia da wada age na wode hwe na wode tie. Na wo sa de comment no ebo adwene ntiase so tie dase edawase a ensa adopai nye nkwan de wo hanum se ye nuanom so wo ha wona de camera esi so wona ahyehyɛ nkanea wona esiesi ame atenase wono so a ehye akire wonom so a owo chinchim fidie no ye nuama so omo siesi anim kama adrabafo a ekofa ye ba enti se anyum dipakuo nyina kafu a ana esi bedwam team ana ye de brel ene anope 27th of September 2022 it has said that the match free service copy say non krobo a collective responsibility say you na ebetimi adwena o my Ghana wa amna dum pempen so a ese edu the alternative free sembe bro the online stories so beto aso the amount na afa yakwago kensim the fisem ne pensem enso the asoso the amount mo fa nchemi ebe wakakra bi but Welbeck Kofi Ampedu ne dofo dwuma watworo se mentoma no ana ene moma sima baako na medidi sa adwuma no. It's a happy birthday message free Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Say Fanta, you are simply one in a million, a friend who sticks so close that you wonder how people can be this good. I am privileged to know you and a blessing to love you. I have spent many days with you, sleeping on same bed, using even your towel, using some same deodorant and perfume with you, living in same room, listening to you and learning from you in many ways.
Your heart of service sets you apart, and your love for humanity is uncommon. I don't know who can compare to you as a friend in my life. You are just simply a blessing. Bro, I appreciate you for your goodness, and I pray you will be celebrated daily till the day your mission is accomplished, and you are crowned the blessed of God. Happy birthday to the brother of my spiritual father, Prophet Victor Kusi Boatin, Minister George Saki, soon to be Pastor George Saki. Anna, I'm going crazy. So love you so much, bro. This is from Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Nam fi say or trop or your project work na thesis no dia bana. We have to go through. A chere dos from kwa or ma software and they yami atmosphere nche ye share software. So Victor Kusi Boatin unua ana Ampedu abona baso sa no. Nti happy birthday and comma Saki. Happy birthday, Sunko. When we say enzyme, so
that's all
Fanta. I see the Fanta, but I'm saying the Dian Casam. Yeah. The Fanta. Fanta.
Na Fanta said during the birthday, then I said the Fanta supply or one
enzymes will be that also. Okay, paying for the billion, so you're footballer, so happy birthday. It's your birthday. That's why I do to the Bokate Eddie Bro. It's immediately a white crowd, and no one who saw for Israel the full name. And my Tiba Modi and Israel, Kofi, the Sahuyo. Wow, Sayo, Sayo, so Sa we yo. Set what your ye. Didn't you know whichever way? There was S and a Y each other. Beat me carrying out. If you are to find a good situation, they make in our stream, but we are making some Obomodia Budini. D. And some of the anymore, almost again, tribal and politics. And one hour. Ever sentiment to and one. If it's a madam for almost a Fantini. Oh, then send it. Yeah, Baha, it's in Beja Baby Jina. Also, Coho, it's in Beja Baby Jina. And he said, and cranny Piewa Hafu. No, bet me as a half a shebra and go shebre and was sama af. Sa afuni ko pie of framantema. No bet me kura o shebra sesana e Ghana ba ko penye so. Sa calculations no anka Ghana ni ntimi nko enkotina London. No enkoye Bank of Ghana governor e o UK. Timesro baby obi epie bia de hene ni kwedie na on brase eni ni die ni bua or the man share what's that baby away. That's the most important thing. It is like we be peer for even though the ebema matcha be anymore no fetri dichi no e no nkyere say we di fetri dichi we a ontimi ma afo puntu ontimi konkai because fetri dichi the omo yan so the omo gi afo yin at now because omo expect akasa timi semo sa calculations we the mu yin fi amanyosem unyin film behind the scenes in komo kwadi are fine but sa calculations we the a pie of my and fan kabomu ma e masa o don na edi mpuntu oba no e mani ntimi enyina ho and sometimes so you careful yes and show for the obofo no this influential paper no you know so church say me say and healthy o man no lot of challenges and yes sa nyoma we kwa na see dwell on this is just not it you know very irrelevant. Or you could have chosen a better headline than this headliner, a better insight, suiting individual interest. It's bigger. Ghana is bigger than Oman, and Ghana is bigger than you. Wow, the answer first the interest of Ghana, and some about other interests is very bit yourself. You know?
Amanyosamba na yehu baby esti ani yechimhwe because in Ghana hanokra no ye woni pa bia omafi framantem akodi dibia o asantementem mo poyemantem o mbo modern
President Ron is already fan crazy of the star when that minister in 19 who free TV man to go ye wo maybe
sir iti we kra de efiri hine beto
security no kra police
we nam ha yeah
and ye na your mind ba ko ye ni chichemu na ya hu kra ni ye se ni ko pio
we discourage sadie
so crompetedu na webinka the fact that the combedo nam kura obedi oyo krom ni no kura no yes Omunya we emfa hwemre ye nkan konte. But eno ana waka no. Enti eno ye chronicle na sem kese a obo ho de ro ha. Na wensu ya sem kese pa na semre bia me kopie. Ahantamemu no eno nso me kote ho asem ne wo mo he kese bia emre bi abrofu twa ne ti de koye no. Etire na bedro na entumi medru ahantamemu eyabakosem kese pa na etire ne da hai. Na ma yes etire no eda 37 cca over 100 years ago a mo twa etire no eda so tede ete. Abakosem kese pa se ne be ye be kwakoka ahantafo no nsa no. Eno ho asem na chronicle ede opani tiabe to hunting. A hunter families fight over severed head of Bedu Bonsu. Enti eno ho asem eda ha. Yes, e dia adane pa well, enti eno ho asem no do aja calls for inclusive review of free SHS. Enti free SHS don sakraya bebedum penifo binum ede wano atutuma Kane Speaker of Parliament do aja ho enso de na no atumu binti chronicle ensem no binu no.
So Daily Guide quickly, or say Ghana IMF negotiate bailouts and EC pledges ID cards for qualified voters. Big one. NDC sponsored evil GS at Nana, MPP. Badwam has not ditched GB and government bridging development gaps. Dr. Baumia and I can say Daily Graphic is so about Save Fishing Industry. Association calls for strong policy on foreign fishers. And UN pledges $260 million support for SDGs, Agenda 2063, and IMF Ghana confer on economy. And the big one, government committed to minority rights, AG Anna Akasei, our Daily Graphic. Anyway. The finders say record 118 health projects executed, 82 completed in Northern Region since 2017. Regional Minister Anna Akasei, Yoko, working to retrieve misappropriated cash in Auditor General's report. MMT one so akasa. And afe GRA grabs 4 shops not issuing VAT receipts. GRA no more my VAT receipt. Baby one can will be issue VAT receipt. First also na afe online store.
They okay and no so ya sem titira Ghanaian Times so de nam na de ne se wo mo anwuma no ye o mo dia ne de. Although the identities of the persons were not disclosed, but omunyuma ne momuno and omubodi enyuma ne bi ne Chanway Company Limited, Selina Bags Shop, Zebras Motors Limited, and a Black Park Company Limited. Not just omuno omuntua VAT. Enti wo makọ tutum. Enti ane de mapani abede 22 kilometers Cape Coast Inner City Roads. No so no. Wakakopa hontuma omo ba beye omo ho omakwan ama.
Efiama Nkwata Maklo Global Citizen Festival NDC behind the Kufuado's heckling MPP neke.
No. We adomonline.com. Ne sembia anopa yo kọ ho no ma obehunti mfoni da ya hwan. Okay, nti bia ubeti ase na afi wo hunu ni ye de ba ensem foforo mu nso a ade hye ya wo mo adwuma ko ochiso ai womani age papa ito kesie bia no wotete kroma ene kromafo nyina no ne womatumi ekuno nti wo ready wo bie na wo ready kwase a fe wo beti ase ye na fe COVID-19 enu ahodo eba bi eye Pfizer na beto dwasa pani kwankyerefo no a wode eba ye no wasaya tested positive eye COVID-19 we kan wane second time ni a wodo enya no eye health eho enkomo no nti ne kasa osafo nsa ne ho yaye nti no obeno no Pfizer na bia na ne ho atumi ayere de adomonline.com ne de ya wo mo ede aba enono Moses Foundation confers Generational Leadership Legend 2022 to Living Legend Award on Sam Jonah ne de also local news no so the ede abeni GFA class air on soldier who stole 23,000 Ghana cedi. And also Adom Kasia yes omuri statement about no krebi anim say yes ni pano konje soldier ni and na washa da kwhye omonta de ni bintina soldier fo ni abre no say na yehu sa wo hye omonta de ni bi dia waso be hye fi se bi mu de won din edi bone Miamra myjoyonline.com say establish a debt limit in the constitution to control borrowing. Dr. Etuahene bosia bobebrebe say yenya limit wo ho say be ya bosia bonso ebeba form. Consensus building is needed at this point. Say tepe on Ghana's IMF negotiation. Ne dia wono so ede aba eno no yo say je adwen sasa adwen kire enom ene ade release incarcerated release incarcerated KNUSC students Katanga Hall Alumni Association for Womodia won so ede atudwa eno no myjoyonline.com the year DNA election 2024 if electorates are failing try illiterates when we kumjaja the kumjaja dia wono so ede aba eno no if literates are failing try illiterates ne dia ode ba no wo mo enim de ni faili dia wo mo enim no eno ho amu na enum no ti kumjaja eno no so de ama eno no government begins second phase of discussions with IMF ono so ne dia said the bonkrata ne bi ede abano. I will choose Mahama over Akufo-Addo kumchacha ne die a wode ato edwa enso eno no myjoyonline.com eno no eyon enti stand up so ede emsefa ayi global citizen festival ne koso no ehu myjoyonline.com adofo bibi wo hobie mu ana ne ne yemfa
onipa ya wode chronicle quotation ne ba no menim nipa kon de but me chia no Oma mi hunu so anka mani beje fi se ohwe atrosem no otiase yi pa won hu de na wo church mu fa tribal politics no so ohwe quotation na no de bae na 1 Peter 4:8 no o say na ne titiru no mu fa odo a emu ye den no do mo ho efri se odo kata bone pi so nti so obi fifra mantem no kosire mu so obi fi hin no ko hin so odo no no kredi ho no onimadwuma no a so ho we free ha no fa abesie bia mesi obi a table so no pay mani ni nipa ko chronicle no me chia no pa
for no say em say omo major headlines bia no
mo quotation just a trust em no mo sua pa nti asem bia beba bia no omo nya ho quotation de nipa ko me chia no pa so says nipa ko kra no wo kira de wo theological bio enso obi ekọ ho akosua sofodie enso di nsɛmɔne
serious
well eti ena 1 Peter 4:8 onso ko kan na fa ye wade na asɛm fa na asɛm
Peter ngoma edi kan eche na
tichemu oche
ana engotwe
nye du wo
radio asɛm
da o my
patu kutudwim
amen
da Benjamin ya da se papa me nyina do so na Adom kase ene da bonkrata de online stories anopay no ahana bema kwan ne de asia agudie mu nsam ayekra do Professor Ike Wallace ba ene Ghana ejina kono mu mai mu nhye na mu sokra mu
ha ni Nicaragua de zo mu share de rezi beda
but sa na mu ko ene de mu try what ene de mu pepa ayi Brazil for de numu na mu hye we enu monyam na afi asomo nyu ye na mu ha adwene enti agudie beba na afi afisem pesem mu beba afidie nenum ejina ho 24/7 ti mafidie ne na ha ami sha so age breshe ye kwa ba Wallace etwa so
yes I'm kwaba kesi me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwontu me die so dia wo kan si won sempan sa kan no pen so ja me din di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the regional Wallace the nation's presenter Adam Messi kunya ekwo no kwanten kode nsema wodo ensa kan na no pen so e wo Ghana agudie eja o hye no so ma mse nwuma ku no wo mo ye miensa ana mabo musika dwetire me na no pen so de nkomon eba one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa and intasime wo betting chini se wotwa no befu a ana din befu twa no kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum ani ntia busua de japade bi sika wo kwa eja o hye mpase enye hwe tabiri na koton na fani na beguso na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose sika se be ira enya wo ya no eno ye di twa bet nya sa de a bet di wa wadwene betia bomu tim betia sa hyehye woni mu firi nwotwen so a emfa ho nyim emum wo yes na Messi course na se wo pe betting pa de a wo hwese na Messi course ya no we take a break after continuous losses de bia bet edi wa no atobo ase kakra nya sa de a ebedi ufemfram one expert ene bet edi ho dance de ama modern da intense wo fia camera guys wo bia bone dan so bet ana momonyam financial freedom a nyama ekoyi edemom na feji fast mixture edu tetahwe so eboapa infections related syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na achewa prapra wahrawa na mrebom ma otimidi nchiniche omoden ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops nemu also feji fast health mixture eno ne edu bakwa a onoma ebetua saboa amodi nchinache omoden adasa on sabetua kabi na fe sedimo gel and roll-on the ultimate pain relieving gel sa air product we no baby a wo bi a shama na se temahye so de enye nakra wo tabiri bi akoto na se wutubi na wankasa da ye ho ebetua saboa obetia from mpany 02008986731 na one sedimo gel and roll-on yɛntwetwe nkomo yɛmo ama nneɛma ntimi ye emfama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from the very first step yɛnhyɛ seɛ ne amia doma matches ne etimi santo so uninterrupted Portugal beton say their first Spain na after Ukraine and Scotland be hyɛ kan na after Albania and so any Ireland and I say Iceland and they are kins between sapem so nyamia doma yɛde ho nkomo kakra so between san ba akyiri na wɔn sɛ na nneɛma esie kobati move quickly in fact ni kyerɛ over the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana maintain camp omo first game against Brazil for 3-0 unanswered results and it means PM team sampa Ghana share him say during the preparations yala ne app no ebetwen senya one goal cry between Samboa and ya pata ye cry na eno ana Ghana coach and Dini Utuado also the boys no fully ready for the second friendly in Nicaragua for between their pumps and then Asakins case in between Santuja na nyame adoma no nsia se gan ana eno nwotwe e Nicaragua for almost so Spain and Asakins case no 8 years Santuja into Utuado nkoma odi eja oka the same emra ye Brazil be sia kan no o say onya 100% training I want the mountain but any Brazil for share with me sampa 10% class ye nya.
We're happy to be here and have an opponent like Nicaragua where we hopefully can try a lot of things. I don't think it will be that as tough as the match against Brazil, but it's a different toughness because they proved also in previous games that they can harm other teams, so it's going to be interesting. We have a lot of connections. It's a different game. I think in this game we are favorites, so it demands different things from us. And we trained it, we talked about it the last days, and hopefully we can see a lot of, especially offensive patterns in that game. And for everyone to know, for me, I can win with a team and play against the next team, but every team demands different things. So I need to pick the players which I need for that game. Even though somebody may score 3 goals in one game, it doesn't mean that he has to play in another game, because it's the games and the teams, the opponents are different. And so different demands have to, for this.
Enti nese ne ba no coach Utu Ado Pentecost for the king Germany and attending cancel the komo 18 Satujan but yenkom Ket Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association president on also maintaining a little bit of interaction na or the pepper up for a game a between between Ghana and Nicaragua.
World Cup, which is the immediate assignment ahead of this team, is the biggest platform any footballer Amate can think about. Okay. The World Cup is the biggest platform anybody who works in the football industry can think about. So it's a period where the entire world will be watching each one of us to make our individual selves proud and to make our dear country great and strong. It's you guys who have the opportunity to put our dear country at the top of the world through your individual performances and through the collective performance of this family here. So it's so important that each one of us keep our focus firmly on the assignment ahead of us. It's not a time for us to play. It's time for all of us to get ourselves ready for the big responsibility that lies ahead of us. I have no doubt, and I'm not in doubt about the quality that we have here. I'm not in doubt. What that means is that you have the confidence of the entire nation behind you and with you. So whenever you are picked to represent our true colors, you should go onto that pitch knowing that the 30 million plus people of
Ghana Football Association President Kate Edwin Simon Okraku and artist on Emrantia no etimi ahwehwe nkoma akran sana nyame adomene wo de akensi ne etimi atentam so you move from national issues you fa ni chirim or club issues kuma se asante roko wo mo ana weekend you move Ghana's All Classico ne across folk ne de ball so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na koye 1-1 e was akens kesi etimi sa pim no na referee jim no Selom yawo bless na korofo mpe info chese Selom yawo bless ohwe penalty incidents bi etimi san ppm as papa yi so obu ne gusu so ehu obi ntimi san kire ntene oma lodge official complaint area kuja Ghana Football Association for paying for say omo san hwemu ye emfa mom e wasana nema esi course no na emwa se kodoko ha lodge complaint because ene ohwe Ghana Football Association for paying for so omu na so ni kroma omu na kopie mo Spain Ghana ni Nicaragua no omo de quarter time so bi enu ha o follow sa akensi your league committee so ha omo na enka ye the league na shom sa omo so before and then after the league ni na no yenti omo kan ana face so kwa starting new season so kwa no yensanti omo kan nti no hwemu ne sene Mexico so kotoko complain no one hope in the betin sa kwa dati misampa e beda mpa so ache ansa na mepem no penfo e dia babat ne epiem e wosan hihye mu ni
Asante kotoko abonkrata atententen dia koja GF ko na omo kire se niam atudwa wabere omo ne House of Folk e de pom wo Ghana Premier League grimo Kumase no na ni enyan empenifo ye pa wo mo so mu na ngina mu nto ayedem na kense de nkoso jojo no omo be dia kense ne tia wo eni me bi atudwa no na nya fekura penalties ahodo omo Asante kotoko enyan ya na omo hwe ni mu se owura ne tia de yawo bless abegidi ama wo na so oni na abedi akire Patrick Papala ene Tijani Mohammed eya hwehan ene kowi ase na House of Folk ebete kana ekoye tipenko nti omo hwe video ni biem na omo ndo nsem ni mu osuko na butia won a nsem bia oho bia no omo de abatudwa
Kumase Asante kotoko omo koma etiensa pi fa official complainer omo lodge wo Ghana Football Association no ana tese Sergio Manuchu obana modne etiensa chire mu Kumase ton na okoje de fa konongo be pm so nsam kakra krasa de ba nkra ha eni yede nkomo akra so etiensa jaw ba de yekomu a House of Folk nso aka che no Samuel Bodu oko Kumase Technical University we person supply but ne de we coach Edma across of football buku no ono so eche say we worried say wa grab just 2 points for after playing 2 games equal 3 games Ghana Premier League just 2 points per anawaje say ha no say bisi sabri wontimi enya maximum points in na matches awodwa babu
what about 3 games our league nim when you 2 points per any concern in mawana
yeah it's concern make me because this is not how I want my boys to be but then it's rather look you put it this one into consideration all the 3 matches that we are playing is very difficult matches and some other we know how to move match after match.
Yes, it is somebody say concern me where's the Messi goes about 3 matches or just 2 points per workings case match beyond so could be 3 points in the room into team sampa send the Messi cost amount for kikau send me hadoma send the Messi kono hempen for come bi buma ebija papa yekwan nkra me saka chess House of Folk for catch no omakofa technical director a fi Holland obepiem ano kwese da kohwe match ni bi ana nei oguso ho a onenam hye so a chess obetrentenema e de aboma ha sen so etiensa atu ampon na mo se Samobodu bekopa de awboa or the darling boy of Togbe affected the 14th tenya de obeko babia okoso atan hasa na wakeka wom sa enye no fum so isan sempemfu a enam so kofa French full players ba ya oni omuntimi nka French no na omo ha no pa oni dwumadi a eno so oguso edi milisia na madawase na machelp 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than cycle and so open bet dia mananya 1xbet na mum utwa fadwen kakra nto oni mu firi wotwen so a ya na watwe ho dia fi bet mu papa twa wi a na wa fast lip no wa hweso keke afien so je fast message do yi ewo adwuma pa ko eba shops in dem so betinya ka bi sedimo gel and roll on wom so e de do a eyi yawdie fi wa pampa so bepem na asene ifiri ho obetinya friend 0208986731 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yen hwetwe nkonwe yehwe mwa emaniama 2022 infamo madama wom ne techiri bo mena no pensu dia o kensi hu sempan saka etimi ejao within the Professor Yiki Wallace agudi catch back open na day of course evidence based presentation etijao rather than any man okese yin fi be ni da soni emfanko be ni da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
trodo achinije bia ne ho se asafo ye ho nyankopon ayeye enti no wama ya adechie foforo enenso enkasa pi enye dede bebre emmo mane basabasasa ne won kronkoto janim na won so se bia PCS study Enoch nyankopon bi no sufre ya won so sufre Diamond nyankopon bi ana won so nyankopon bi na medofo obeje oso anopai so ye hia wa afisem komo chiche so ye ba bedi nkomo ye ba badwendwen ye ho na so to da bia se da meka se enye ne nyina na ya ma ne bo enye ne nyina na ye nkomodie pi no enti ye ba be kire na kwan ne bi eno nti ena anopai mene odifo Kojo Boate Bempa a woye senior pastor da Holy Hill Assemblies of God ano eba be chiche enkomo Bishop Kojo Boate Bempa Bishop Kojo Boate Bempa Ghana deepa o Bishop akwaba
I'm offer yemo
yemu de na Bishop Fibi ebono
me free
Mampong asante Mampong ayo na asante Mampong for what to say
now be aware by the grace of God
ye de nyame ase
wow
ye de nyame ase na Bishop we was breakfast meeting bi high life breakfast
high life breakfast meeting nhia mu bi a eboaboa nipa nyina no na breakfast na yetu ye di kan na physical aduane ya but the most important is the nyame asem o Jesus say man shall not live by bread alone nya bodo nkon na nipa di obetnas na che say abodo bi ho a echan abodo and you know we actually gather about ehia nyame asem na epese ye che and then we pray for people na onyame den nsaka nkrofo because you know say we are saying without God no it's difficult to survive until you gather sana the momentum and the gathering bring a certain atmosphere
okay
and the miracles healing normal basis
in fact what mama say because me say higher life breakfast meeting na bishop onso na betina me nche de ene na we nom no bisake de nom na eba breakfast no na say de but so for church mu say eto de bia Christopher onso here sa breakfast de bia eye higher life breakfast na bishop we baby a Christopher taishiemu no obia woni enti asa nhyiaye ho no ana sa baby nhyiamu no koso no obabi we no ye hyiam ni adwendwe wo mo epa wo ana ye hyiam ni adwendwe wo mo aware eguo ana ye hyiam ni adwendwe wo mo etwe nyame anim obo typot bi ana obi etu bi baby
on the Bible say God can meet all our needs onyame etimi eso nipa bia ne how ano
okay
anything is for everybody. See, miracles are varied in dimension obi on cry exams no atro no failing I've seen people that came to our meeting they have FF in their exams once the meeting was gone the exam results changed
Pacho say
results no more
no
you see Bible said with God all things are possible
no cry
in one of the meetings a young lady came now our cultural exams and mama X on say mama X it means you did not even appear
okay
so he put her phone on the floor in 10 minutes when he lifted it X has changed to B+. You know, God can enter anywhere. In this last day, we need to talk to people about miracles, rare ones, not rare miracles of God. Or say with men, it is impossible.
Okay.
But with God, all things are possible. Because what is a miracle? A miracle is the suspension of a natural law for God to have his way. And then after that, you bring the law back. The law can be suspended.
Oh, okay. And when you are in Shemu Christopher Shia, dear a how beer, dear would de beer, dear you beer, the Shem, near the Atunya me.
But most importantly, near perse Christians never no be the unbeliever. Because their purpose is to win souls.
Okay.
And go for every we are but the means and knowing Christ is the solution.
And also
because when we used to not physically, nothing changes. Spiritually and emotionally, something changes.
Okay.
You have a great future. And you know, they see how to say. Everyone say be a service, see I'm to escape new bottom. But if you hear that be a service in the next 5 years, you will survive till the next 5 years.
And then no cry.
You know, our greatest hope is to make it to heaven.
Okay.
So we give people that hope. But the most importantly is to be a only nyamia or high. He doesn't know the direction for his life. And when he comes, he will get salvation, he will get healing, he will get everything that is good. Is part of the breakfast.
Many bishop ya join back could be our cancer say obi ye unbeliever na obi ye onye ojidini a anya hwekura no se wenhu ase ensesan wo ne nipadua ne ohu wo ne honhom de kyese na no won se oba na na mojeto obi animu ne yare yodinam ho but sa Yesu atade mu so no honhom no no akasa te se sakraye bia ba bibi no atwa enti no anya hwekura no wo de honam ani de no na wonyanya sa ka no ana sa fie no tena mu a wo de kobi na honhom no behu se wahia Kristo eno ne de wo ka no na aya dwumadi amotaye wo ho
no we've been doing it for him 14 years
sir afi bia moye
afi bia ye afi we team near God of miracles
yakopon wangwani
one say sometimes you know because recently akwa bia wa we nsasa until the family omo de na ko ba bia nye ena ne fiancé mom na ba church na me ka chensa only one it was on be maybe net bonye no ho de na say that is wrong so invite him for me I will help you to marry so that ade na adane bon ne be dane odo it's a very thin line between these things so when the man came meaning so a dranker enti ofri asori koye oso ofie no hu se bibi wo so na som kokro ena oba o te say me bompire about the anointing oil iti ono ane oil no nya media medema no ono no fire na odi digu na so afi no de ohun yan se odane na so say na kefrea oil life living spider came
cockroach kefrea de cockroach
spider boy anas oil tintan epiefu na so na ba anas since that day and somewhere 16 years is over and now your cameraman now watch it so when you come you see him standing there and you know miracles are varied so he became born again number 1 and someone home na didn't you know and left you see once you cannot even imagine say na announce show be so my man wins
na me come here when me nyi mani o
these are the miracles are the last of every human problem you know obi a miracle you see sometimes people feel say obi o yare ana dimension bi a wo bi ano you need a miracle
obi a wo de ha no here ho century
but a miracle can solve all problems because it is the intervention of God. Can God ever intervene in anything without a change? It's not possible. You know, and in Yamenante, this is what we have seen, all kinds of things that sometimes you yourself you are amazed about what is happening. And you know,
okay. Yes. Now Bishop here say one kasa de adwumade no wugina ma esi usre so. Unuanu asofo bi so ba na we ye wa ne adwumade.
Yeah, church na but we have pastors coming from all over.
Okay.
A bit from Takrade, a bit from Kumasi alone last year they came with 2 buses. And then so there are so many pastors that come because Obi also was starting a ministry young.
Okay.
You need to come and see how things are happening. And sometimes when you are in a meeting, when you're meeting in an account and it changes your ministry, you see.
Okay.
And you know, apart from ordinary people, no, pastors also come for impartation.
Okay.
Now all these miracles we are seeing, when I started, it wasn't like that. Somebody prayed for me many years ago in Miami, Florida. You see, a man of God called Apostle Maldonado, and then I also began to see miracle because BBI transferable. I think that you watch some people, they impacted you, and then very soon they say, "Obi so show." They are checking the way you dress, they are checking the way you talk. One day when you become an old lady, somebody will say, "Oh, I used to watch this precious lady." So impartation takes place when you are in a meeting.
Okay, it's the person ye chewa dwinsi so no say eto da bia de ekoso wo wankasa wasetem no. Waka kire enipa saa but oni beba ho so no. Onkomodie bi ye kokwa mu de no ba bia akote no no. Wampe. Enti ye hia se nyame ma se Christopher yi na asofo nso nyame nsa wo mo so hia no. Oko ho bi kotie nkyekere no e ma oko ma mpaebo ni bi enya sa miracle ni bi wa brabo so anka woko wanim dada enti we ye de ye ka achona e bishop akwakoye breakfast dey na te say eye anopa dwumadie
from
8
by 12 on Yapon. Yes, they're starting by 8.
Oh, okay. The Shasia anopa 8. Na dumienu pepepe ewia. Enti mpachoda na yeda benya.
Oh, Saturday 1st of October. As a meme in there be anopa.
Oh, okay. In fact, yakwa ye kakra ye. So, enti me that way ne so the fast body and money. Na akona kosie nya na bishop mankani.
Yes. It's good. You know, Jesus, the way you spend the time on the dead are too much. Now, if you want to see where people spend money on the dead, but Jesus said that let the dead bury their dead. You see, we have to spend more time on the living than on the dead.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And now, the man and also change the Oko party. It's very wonderful.
Yes, I did say Nkoja nipa ko adofo ye hwere na nso to da bia fansa body ne man efise no na hia kese na kobom paye nso kakra na ye hwede nyame beye because ebi o akoba bi bebre o but enfa ho se breakfast we no e ho na oje no kra beye den ebepie efi beba enti asafo no ye pacho
Holy Hill Assemblies
Holy
of God.
Hill Assemblies of God. Enti ye Assemblies of God for the na Bishop Gagae.
Watch out.
Hey. Enti pacho ye catch us say watch out mo wani ena ho na fefa ho ehyemu bi pacho baby potin adwumede ne koso no.
Oh, Kwame Nkrumah Circle behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. Ten this Kev no Eco Market now you see this big buildings, 4-story building there. They've written
oh, you man them here you.
Oh, yeah. Behind the loop,
yo.
Vienna City, the other side.
Okay. Okay. Eti pacho pepi no edu memene da ya na baby aye ni hwe no yankwa yefre bekwa yie yankwa ayi aye ne namfofo be hia ye beto apono aye ni nyina bi na so nsenche ne ne hu ye eti we nso kobi na afi kone kohwe
na nyame betimi kwa pon kwa san na obekwa ya
san na abekwa awako enu awaka ai na se no chikosi dumienu de na chese otimi efi ho no mkwa ye nti bishop anopem ni ahwefo ye bedas ye nya netie nso se dwumedi a ye kan nyina nso ebekos live wa Adom TV so
yes
oh okay enti se bi kra na bibi nti obi ho a ye kan onyan akoba bi kra onti apo ana bi kra woni nkran otimi hwe no Adom TV so ene nso de abefo nti Adom TV so no wa phone no aso so ko Facebook ana YouTube abehwe Adom TV na chese se dwumedi wonso atumi edo ho ahyem bi ebusia me ne Bishop Kojo Boate Bempa enyem ngwa ne din no de organa nipa ese etimi ma street name oh
mercy
ko bodi ane ho so ye Ghana nti ba cho we eye dwumedi a ebekoso ye senior pastor ewo Holy Hill Assemblies of God enti AG members nyina gaga mon watch out because dwumedi no baso Bishop many I have for that say no pay.
Michelle. On lifted station from glory to glory to glory to glory. Amen. God bless you.
That's it. That's it. So the insurance message I will say amene Bishop Bempa and I Edisa and community pa church and so 1st October memeneda anopa no wotwe edikosi awia dumienu na yapon na onso wanya ochefa efi onyankopon adom a wo cheche no emu tweme me ba na edi nkomo foforo Nafo eguso a me hye unkran say nyame nam na wo cheche na onso edu so a obaye wuye wate yaka de nyame fam asafo no ye nyame de beye wuye bata to da bi anya ni nyina na nyame ye ni ye waso dem o ebi nso nyame ye ni ye wo ayi ye kan say hospital ho ene aya sabia ho eno nti na nyame adom a wo cheche no bidimafo Dr. Bidima se kan ye wakai no aha Dr. Time da so na sem na make Dr. wa ha enti de ono so ntiapo no ye bedin komo misro pay attention send the bia o pay attention no Dr. Mpacho akwaba
yeah and
Dr. Utrim kwanso so
me da wase
se de wa fa ho die me who dey say I am say the so our fufuro so yira wo so we renew our no but who I first na pese me kire and na bosumi nso ye obosome
yeah
nyame adom birthday no so we dey awie
ye dey awie
enti wo chiche wo mo no ne
any
TV
no some ketwa
na so be TV na 15
TV ye che mako 35
o 15 no ko 35
na ye 30
okay
na 5 be kan ho and ye chair 35 and ye chair mono such as no mako 700
o say
such as 5 kilos from ye chair 700 ye chair and one so 1.5 liters no
and mona first yesusu na o ma bitimi tobia na o de le bag na school bag ko school
very good
mako 700
700
na oche anwa
so 700
adoye keke nyame shao
wasame yale wachamade ensi bebia da adano na nsentwerefo ba ho adom for adom news team ba ho na ka Ghana hansentwerefo nyina ba ho no mbehwe nima ACC na edano ebo ahomache no miensa na yetwa videos this Sunday me bra na mada na wo hwe enipa egu ho because me kura me free what Tuesday anyum 7 no na nipa ho bu 200 omo beda ho bu 200 me na me free one 7 na nipa aba beda ho clinic at that time no na ebu 200
enti yete ha ye kasei ayasabia na obi mfa ne sika mra na wo nsa ne yare no wasa amasa nipa no aduane woni fi a wodi
chese ya man aduane woni fi a wodi
obi so nya TV a no pe wo sha
TV a o wansa so nipa aduasanum enyina enya TV a wo muso kwa akɔhwɛ no kwa
nyame sha no sha wadwuma so efi se trosem se de o mano no ye mano enti waman awrade nso mawo na wayare sa adom ode adom no ompejam na enipa yare a ehia onsam adom no nyame na moso na sa omu nyina yare
amen
ye da nyame asepa busia ebi ana ena your first time a wo hwe Dr. Time da so ai ni din no Dr. Time da so de kire se wo yare no ono so adom no ne se o the time beto so no besa yare doctor wa ka wasem na chese amafo hu yare kwa wo sa o the time toto so mpacho why na de ha na omra medimafo heba center
ana no na nyese birthday nkwa na amamani agio ayalefo chesi media fo di adanse omu chesi media na ada because empayfo bo betina ho adanse kofo de na age wo mo nsem madam bi obo doctor me ba ya de meto ka ato na ebaye ka ato na de yeti minya nipa biem ya de meto ka ato me ba ya de me duru office hwe na mintimi ntenem enti ya da meto fam sei e wo hospital ho ani mebusu afo gina me ho doctor shame say memorial review 2 weeks doctor mama do ennan pepepe na wo hwe nipa no gina wa all kana ya ka say nipa we wa yale pen ya onyi ni da ewa atefo asase so da na nyina nse animonyam ka Israel nyankopon
amen
Ghana ni bia nya anida so kese se medimafo heba clinic nyankopon de yale nyina so tumi ahye doctor nsa maka to se de ACC no me kura metia me gima me ho ma yemfom so
okay
gegi se osoro nyankopon pe ene betimi aye the ACCAB because adanse na aburu nipa dwenne ntiase so adanse na ekoso no aburu nipa adwen ene yentiase so efiri se ebi ni baabi ala da se obekọ hospital biti se medimafo heba clinic na doctor asaw yale awi asan chawade enya asam ketuwa na me de me ka kire obi a wo hem se ye nyem fanso honko a
okay
afi bia ye no prensa ye Easter na ye ne doctor birthday na enu twamu a ya san be ye bronya bronya no so ye 21st December and so esi that very the business we kuada and the doctor see TV no ye beche 50 aduonum and ye beche na enu so amonya nwa de mintimi nkan because anani de ko ye 700
na we ya ye
ye ntimi nkan de no say ye to bebre sum dan no na wuduru a ye yi amon
me hwe wani mu de che say de mi hu ne say e bia na nyame na mo so say obema ebinum kuma atom yem but e bia kwan ya be fa so e be ba ne say wa ma o ayaresa adom other than that no there because ye ni baby wo ho a ukokra usika no na so say be ye kra no ani be hu doctor na doctor ko kra chro para akra ma ana obenya obi kra age watena ha setena ha na doctor ba no a sika kra wu no ubewu na de wono mo se bra me krokro na no say wo ma ye hu wo center ho wo mo e bo ware ne wo mo eto da bi obi ho a onyare a wo hie dro agodie bi kakra sa ne sa anikasem kakra bi sa ne na yaresa nyamisha
amen
nyamisha na omie biem se ne be ya omo so omo kwan wa no ebi bedu o mabubuwa no
yes na dia me enkran for ma me sam wo ma baso
jo
the hospital kra wa Accra ha enka wo ma se Kumase
okay
they say wo bi ehu se wo yale na wo beko ba bi e ben wo akose wo sika wada age akoda ho wo die se wa na wo se ye paga anana be hwe Cote d'Ivoire fo egu ho ge eduro Burkina fo egu ho wo mo nyina eba na wo te Ghana hanaka se ye ka nipa egu Dr. Tam da so ahwe ye senka minyanka meko na emom no me kwan le wa na wonim de okeka bia na yale no how the doctor ka chen say gise de wo ananse wasie no epe say nipa the doctor say on to me ma medima for her back na wo beduru medima fo a edini ye medima fo say yale bia wo de ba bia nyankopon adom so Dr. Tam da so Dr. Shaw ebra empa ho adanse nkrofo die nyina wutia Dr. Shaw ebra anso Dr. Shaw ebra anso Dr. Shaw na wotwe hu se na wotwe enso Dr. Shaw nana ya enana enso kese mayarefo na edi Dr. Tam da so amma miye tele se be piem e wo medima fo heba clinic na doctor de bra to yare so no emfa ne bra ni bi ento so me ka kire nkrofo se mumma mani na wo ye pa because da bia metaka anano ebisi nipa age ayaresa ne nkrofo so akofa omunuro ne namu se we ye do ewo clinic ho yachi bebre kura almost de o ke nkrofo ye clinic ye ni abre na ye di adwuma no na nkrofo so de wo so heba nuro na bottom to man nkrofo
se doctor duro ni ti to
duro na doctor si we di wono na ayenti monto na nkrofo to
and you hear security for because the fact that ode odoni nyamisuro welcome amount for nipa bone for so frem into here babo for odu ho a na wa clock na kire se we adwumani wa ha na wo ba hansa no because we nipa dan ankate bone frem it se wa doctor de me yenhwe se wa obi aye asabe e wo ho na wa ye duro bi kura wo na timi nya kokudro dura ho na wo tama nipa se doctor duro ni na doctor se monto eto da bi na se no mi bi beda obi so na wo bra wonti ase bi kura de odi wani susu no nya ono ahu samone keten se ye bi we nyina eni hwe
Jesa wonti nipa ase
mama ahefo sa number si sa number krona so go screen so so sa number ina wo fra na medima fo heba clinic fo na wo fra wo number bia enye sa number we ne fra wo a mesra wo pe ba bi tena enko fra sa number no so because we dey yan katebone no wo mo from pacho sa numbers na go screen so no eno ne doctor dey no mebo bon so e dey amount 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500 727215 0500 727215 eno and a numbers are offer na te semidimafo herbal clinic and offer one yare so a enko ho nko kasa doctor de oya adoye nti mekwa kodi bi nyasa boko kofa yare akọ nyame mpesa na doctor mwa ye fa no kredie nye ya de nyina na emwaye enti je say niema no bi na yehu wo ho no ho na doctor yehu enuro bi wo ho no obi ba you are drone wo wan kasa wo ahye ho
nipa cho enuro nyina ye nura efre mensem ye nuro nyina wo clinic ho ho na ye no nti bibia efre clinic ho na wo ba ye de amount sana etie
enti wudro no nyina ya choro medimafu gu ho enti so obi hia ba bi na ode aduro bre no so choro medimafu a ye be de hu de no ne nipa kon ne de no so
enti meta bode wulo se Dr. Tam da so me duro minton bi wo ba bia ebi ni pharmacy bia enti nkurɔfoɔ atontɔn bebree ama yɛakye wɔn mo ebi de ka gyina kumase na yɛtɔn tam da so waduro na nkurɔfoɔ tɔ yɛakyekye wɔn nyinaa nti mentɔn aduro wɔ kaa mu mentɔn aduro wɔ information center mentɔn aduro wɔ baabi a
agye sɛ ayasabea
clinic wɔ nti wohu bi wɔ baabi yɛ a numbers bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ ama
yɛyɛ akakyerɛ yɛ nka hwenkyerɛ bio nti sɛ ɔyɛ wo maame mpo ana ɔyɛ wo sɔfoɔ mpo ɔmo ne ɛtaagye wɔ mu di na ɔse wei me ana mekɔ Dr. Time da so na mede ma wɔboa wankasa kɔ hɔ na akɔgye firi hɔ hu sɛ wagye afiri hɔ Dr. Mpacho de twato a odi gyae
deɛ meka ne sɛ ɛnneɛma no yɛbɛkyekyɛ na TV nso wo pɛ sɛ wonya bi a yɛkyɛ de ma obi a waba hɔ da a ɔwɔ card ɛfiri na ɛkɔ yi a bɛgye wo card na bra clinic hɔ na Ghanafoɔ aka mu sɛ wɔn hɛ ɛbɛdu bilebe ne yɛ nan sɔrɔ doctor sɛ cars na esi wei obi a waba clinic hɔ no ɛbɛna mefa enti bɔmmɔden sɛ wobɛba me dimafo herbal clinic
yɛdase
wasame yaleɛ wakyɛmadeɛ
wakyɛmadeɛ Dr. Mpacho yɛdase anɔpɛ yi abusuafoɔ yɛde yɛn nkɔmmɔ no awie yɛka deɛ yɛn nso akyerɛw enti muani na hɔ na ayɛ dan a nipa no abɔnefoɔ ne wom sɛmɔnefoɔ no nso ɛwom Dr. Otiri Nkwanso and happy belated birthday to you. Nyamisha no sha wadwuma so. Amen. Mpacho sa tweme. Me ba na edi nkomo foforo.
Well, yasa by the money na say utimi ne edi nkomo Bibi Adom ka say we appreciate you so much. Mamenka odenti ma we Ghana ni continue to exhibit those qualities transparency, truthfulness, honesty, patriotism, love for your country. Bibi Adom meje break kai because it's very relevant. We are inti Badwam. So help me God. It's so important. That makes you a proud Ghanaian, not just a Ghanaian. A proud Ghanaian. Bibi Adom who exhibited these qualities ade anya odia ade enim guase bro my Ghana no otwe ho firi ho na menkai minuanom so amwo afo nyina no me damwase under the able leadership of George Boachi and the House of Chief President Yamfo Manhene and then nananom nyina from Achirensra to Kenya as 1 and 2 to Atroni to Techre to Adroba to almost everywhere, Mem Sankore, Goso, Capital. Munina, Mebuna, Oinano, we appreciate you. Adia Bakwame Semune say, the young Kunim, the end Munyamshe, and no Anna Afu, Adeshe, Mumian Famra Afu. And don't forget, the Homecoming a year festival, 3-day event, yeah, they bro. Na bread they bro December 30th, 31st, and January 1st. They bro Afu. Ahafu a year homecoming festival. Yada a year era Agama CEO Bechem United Edanasi era Dr. Kingsley King's Cottage. Sanshona yada Nana Baswa also on the name Council of State Ahafu Ujinaya name one and all our members of parliament from Yamami Frida Prempe, Dr. Benjamin, Honorable Bano, Deputy Minister of Sports, Bobie, Alaji Collins Dauda and Era Eric Opoku. We are so proud of Munina. Yeah, December for Timejan and Nasu Yepa. It's good to be here for 2 reasons. My personality is almost here for 2 reasons because I've been their campaign coordinators over years. Both Nimnyam for Obiamwa and Nimnyam for Baba Jamal. You are wondering how I coordinate their campaigns for them. Every biadano, consultancy service. No? You put in a strategy for quite over fast our clients beat me in Kunimon Pesa or more. They have coordinated these 2 big men in Ghana for almost 10, 12, 16 years. And it would the children and to bomb park. It's not easy to manage the situation. I'm proud. Number 2, I pack home command, dear. No. In fact, So privileged this morning because it's going to be purely academic exercise. Naya tias here because she and Shasia and Ghana from that point of angle, no you go that the set right. The ye feeling the bar, ye there be now that I told all Ghanaians and politicians especially on ecosystem said, share from 1992 Abembia Abribia da no beko opposition no or cassette ya Electoral Commission. Maybe area for Jan or fan who di kakra. But from Charlotte, Bepiment now pay cassette obi fan ondi. Abembia or Abembia kasa some way somehow I want Emma Electoral Commission. But no crap pass when they say ye won't conform to that so my they speak to the issues relating to our elections. Tidano Mekache, chairman of NDC, said the stakes are not high because a requirement that every 4 years in Ghana betwa by yena ye ma yem shishi ne ifnu na ye ho keka nsema kese ma stakes some way somehow a bigger detention avoidable eba to badawma entire so yi we are going to be the judges this morning after this educative exercise on IPAC and other matters in the country. Fortunately, only now I have been for how many be this and come and out pay. Timmy Darcy, say what join here. I will be a more. Machi, my you watch your papa. Yes.
They said you have been you. They say clients not also. Clients not big ones. Relegated.
Oh wow, David. Where come from born, where you are sada.
Maybe I you. I want to bomb up. Good.
Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, yeah, me some what questions say.
That is so. Yeah,
that kwan wabre papa.
Yeah. First guy almost you stood in there.
And that's a Ghanaian company. Yes. So happy with that. Oh wow.
Hold on, your team
Yes.
And you consultants in Anyakwa.
Yeah, that's
so two bomb.
As Colombo, the two men were for catchy. Oh, Casso. Era Papa Jaba. Aquaba, so. Yeah. Cover. That's a party, you must write your time power. Yes. Oh, wow. Yeah. So, Mr.
Oka road as on the interior, you might be seen.
Yes.
I'm say, media disready. The Emma
of our central region, no back a
baby Obia, so on Timia,
Obia,
say, the panicho. On say, you Ayawa soup baku 4.
Okay.
You Ayawa so West Gogon.
Okay.
Capitani Legon.
Okay.
And you Ayawa so Central. Capitani Newtown.
Okay.
And you Ayawa so North. Capitani Mamobi.
Okay.
And you Ayawa so East. Captain Nima.
Okay.
All these 4 ayawasos no. Nima ayawasi Eastern Kwana yenhu asphalt.
Nima
Kwan. Uyi kanda and no the omo yene the rounds only a high area because of the Jubilee House no. Me say uba Nima, the whole of Nima, one asphalt.
Wow.
Meanwhile, Nima is a central part of Accra. With the media disredia ma amakwata se mesra me wo for pa no de bi ohumi nso na ne koshia ohu oba o se na adenta wo fa zap to na on frame ye na mse with the mesra no
na wo fa bet ma fe na
wo fa e busy wo fra
we dey amewu when you
Zazi said interest better all Nima as say.
But no. Let me take this opportunity as a campaign coordinator for him. No,
we are watching the space. We are watching the space. To make sense when you own Timmy. na nima in particular ever nima ko akosi gota na no eko ruga mesre no omomodiana omfa aspat emra emri bi miti so mo bisususu ho
kolobino no ehu se wona odi aba
meko no na wo fa aye bizenti me friend na mina no enti we de fa kachira no mama so mesre no nima yenso ye hia aspat kakra na nima we den nima is central part obi afa baby a ho na obefa ndi we de me say de me na mo so na hu ofa waka kire ofa say eya me friend so ya omfa.
Okay, that's it. We are back. Patro Bra Associate in Koma ehun here because it's part of the process they call 2024 nti ya so leti ebedi UK in Koma say the pound is here but nyene ti na de pese hwe Ghana yen Koma no honorable biamo maya abakosem efa IPAC botaya modetiye emremu no nyina so ewo ho ne mfaso dia over time IPAC dia bre any what has changed our IPAC is
that's pa ni di kamitia o mo hwe ni tiefo nyina wadaruma se betane kasa whole country obia tie to ba be wie no be frɛ free bia boga ana boko unse me yara service oboko still me rules ho one obia frɛ say teacher o teacher the teacher kasa wa Adom say ampa na so me kan na so eto asumpa IPAC ya de aboa ewo ya bakosem ne abatu mu pa Inter-Party Advisory Committee. There's a Electoral Commission. Do maybe no area for Jan. You know, to say parties. Yamra na normal here can see a more person we are about to. Only at him. O my dear footwear free ho. You are cry or match subcommittees no the account. Na ya dwinwi no ma ho. Nti ansa na beba bontin say the person ye no na parties so yan ache adwen eduba bia hia e wura faja maka je say mo advice say ha de be fa ha de ntumi fa e fa ha problem be nyani nti da se mabeboa two committees so ya legal committee parties e bia say don kuma no bia munyina mummu na mo fa mielumra dom kase nso fa ba ko beka ho na 3-member committee ne so easy bi beka ho na bia civil society so di biaba na mo hwe no mamuman na mo fa report mra ni hu kwan nyina be fa so a ya de be ya adwuma tia pack de nyame ada roma ewura Jacob Echibi lap time a party ka se me ko aba e bia e free hono de bia me ko because ne ekoso no TB enso eche adwen mo ade a ehuni ya yeka sada parties nyina se parties na bebre se be 24 kra na akopio unfortunately no oma special parties akese no this stage bi ani ene Electoral Commission na say no man koyi ni no na kan adwen no mo se nye sa na epe no enye dem honko na pia bontin na afi mo so de ubofo mo so maji asum na afi de na tintan ba me mani fi a me ko IPAC there as a party take decision that say Electoral Commission ya mo ne ko ayem pere so a meeting ye ma ma me shall to say Dr. Afre Jan edupe wara ene ne boss pa me so me nipa pa no na se o hie mo yi ase na say o ma ba no me chiro be ya to be binya or consultancy or electoral matters so of abeba ene me ba bi o wonso na me shall to say na me ni pa edute bia ne aboso the boss wa ye kwa IPAC meeting a o se o still ni ma ya aka na me so ye ni mu nya aka ba se me ho e be kam se ni akwa ha kakra ne se ye kwa IPAC meeting all right but you know omoma
e free breben
free say to abawie menim asɛm ɔmkɔ kae menim sɛ ne ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmfa no nso ɔmomma ipac nti du stage bi a sɛ ebinom kasa koraa na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmkasa tia ɔm a msɛ monto mo bo ɔmo ni hɔ number 1 number 2 sɛ mmara a ɛbɛhyehyɛ ɛbɛba parliament biara wakɔto ɔmɔ parliament nti bɛhwɛ minis ne biribiara sɛ ne nyinaa yɛgbobɔ no yɛka wo but ɔmo mma no nti sɛ ɛkeka nsɛm wie na ɛba abɔnten a na akɔyɛ saa sɛ wamaka no yɛnka ho
mo ana makɔkeka
mo asɛm yɛnka ho deɛ ɛnso ne yɛpɛ ne yɛbɛka na ne ha kakra ne sɛ ebi a ɔmo ne electoral commission nya adwen ɔmo aka sɛ ɔmo asɛm ho ɔmo kaa na ɔmo de MPP abɛfra mo pɛ sɛ mo wie ma MPP nti na mo yɛ sa ɛhɔ no na ɔmo yɛ asɛ ɔmo asɛm kakra ɛhɔ no
de ɔmo bɛdi nkɔmɔ biara no
sɛ ɔmo de electoral commission nya adwen bibi so a
mo pɛ sɛ mo wie ma MPP
ɔmo sɛ MPP nti na mo sɛ mo yɛ sa yɛn electoral commission no mo abɔ so paa ba yɛn anka da sɛ NDC nti na mo yɛ sa mo ka sɛ we a mo yi problem ni mo ahwɛ ansɔvo a Supreme Court kora ɛbɛkɔ ne akɔ edi nkuni bebree wɔ saa nɔma yi ho but ɔmo deɛ no wohwɛ sese statement a yɛwura ofoso ampɔfo a sese ewura siri nkɛte atata no sese akɔyɛ asɛm a yɛntumi nka wohwɛ the statement na ɔka yɛbɛfa ayi we will use every lawful means to resist this latest efforts. Any council. Every lawful means, any council. Because the man, baby, I can't want some any council. But I can say, yes, I have some boy and people. Namo yadi afra. And also there. Ebako can be observed because of my easy. Me, the Piama could be a go for easy babsy and Casama easy. Or more go from Casamomo. Unfair Director of Elections, Dr. Siboku, on Casamon, but yeah, the dear, Yabeka. Assemble the horse, say. Okay, 78. A check, yeah, bear elections bear 3.5 4 cry. I decided, say, a bassier to a bath, say, in fact, you're trading, will be in fact, I shall be say, card, a chess of Nipana. Otsinos or noa, maybe your team fear where di Nikaka one, or bet my tune din or that particular you. And I am quite to say, a bus on crashy, no nishia. And the MOB in Yinamu, in case a nipa okay minimum. No, as I said, or also your tune din. A do stage, you know. No ya parties ya madia basa because anka a simple matter say we wo oni ebusiafo bi tifie na basa wo ID card no ni bi na e kwotwero edin na wo wetu abegida mo say me fill form yi a guarantee say nipa yi minimum no
di ne ho
adanse na ampa say fata say be twero edin e say that dream e fine in fear no aso 18 years mene na tintim sa ha no te ene kanka nyina nanso edu stage bi no minyi obi amfim ebidum be ya contractors odi line mu okwa atwo ni di man card no gina ho ozo me guarantee ama we e be create problem e mu bi ni yakasa wo say guarantor system say ya mana yet say bibi oni ni part of baby ya so be
because ana mraneka so you be manage ejinemu
say we register an kwade otu ejinemu na akoso saa e wura fa jam kwa no ya hu complete do stage bi a say do stage bi o mfa duplication omo strong room omo dey to screen so omo dey ahwe say omo register ma ampase over uzura wa static cam was wa ahwe kola you see I register omo ye omo di information ye check court makasa ho sa obehwe no na obi na akogida makasa waso idi adanse enti edu stage bi no party for ya kwa ye trenu omo kra enso obi ba no nkra card na obi so guarantee amana mo challenge one challenge then go pay adjudication no o matches am pass we di fear we di ni I hope policeman ho traditional you ho party reps ho when education of the crowd no children am pass or you qualified to be registered so where the confusions are me nua NDC ni our parliament me core program or one station me money di me more station o ka chem say that in the problem na baby wo ho a ukodu na o ka say wo challenge kra wa hwia be hwo no ndi wa mu say ade dey just right din I don't know akoso na easy for say Ghana card aba na tintim a imra no baby say yenye continuous registration the bia dey no council parties no modalities no ya na ehunu this time there you person continuous registration na continuous registration no udi 18 years ukura Ghana card no akọ ni register se uni Ghana card ni bia ye bia kopim bia last 3 months of 2024 this time there any for command no modi ni bibia no that time there no bia waso bia so twoni din bia no nya card akotwe for na aka se wo mo ye ti o se say ipa be 500,000 ya card amon mo magi e ti nyina ya mo hu dawru na go bia nkoje card wa register fine wa register ya onya sa card in for register na say sabi ye poyampo be abekọ bia ye say kire say wo ye o man hin o you Ghana card say bank say hin ye be twiro din na isi say mo parties no say my ache we see and in be boy man no man very easy omo ba parliament omo the long memo by at the minutes your IPAC we can hold by parliament e be share social legislation committee na metimu bi first thing is when I say be register for fraud no say can say register for fraud yes sam ya hu say man until the mua akoka say ba spend $80 million ya register for fraud can say register for fraud register it to about 2020 covid breast wa e birum say ntimi nya no sa register na na use ntimi me ne wa ye to aba ye ya register your ID card de ye nka ho but do so na o say atwa odin a fa Ghana card fa district ni atwa odin a hokra no stone mra no ye adwuma nti party ni ti ho na o ka say we no mempene na okura card so we need to he has every right to object now go through all the process like I say ampa bejo card bejo voter ID card husun and I say card na you can say twemi ni asem wie no that's where hono intimi farmer
Kasimbia ni hosa
Kasimbia ni hosa and na me feel say ya party for you anka ne be kan say ye kire adwen say se sana isika kwan be so ne be fa ama no ma koyi na kwati say ye mprekura mo forma sem ko ba bi ene mo ya ma MPP fo ne besi mo dia na mo eno sa no ye ma ye twe asem ni mu ye ma na ye asem dindin kakra anka asem ye ni ho
okay mesa about so but minim say they was see all can be this and I'm not quite sure
oh nka se ne all can ka sa na tie ana nokro trudu adwumboni bi entetri na ye pese Ghana mpuntu a anka problem nim sabi minua de am se amanyasem ina ya chakakra 1992 na me ye Kodio observer 92 me ye Kodio observer 96 after 92 elections na woka IPAC history niema IPAC buy ina se parties na o man twom hose my MPP cultural stolen verdict ena aferidan ne nkrofo se sadia sisi no yenkwa ye nya biom e the party for baba ka wona bibi ba ye ne party for no susun anse de akwabonten so that is the agreement techre the IPAC 1994 and new starting new registration process anyway na me registration officer na me electoral commission age na me registration officer Onima Gota and then 2000 oh no so you see say you started with you the cheat 1992 you the cheat in the twaba we parties
without
any
without photo
cheat without photo you the cheat in the corner that twaba
without photo
and then 94 you the
black and
white by and 2000
transparent ballot box.
Transparent ballot box. You see, all electoral commission parties no may have been part of IPAC from 2002. And I may be a deputy general secretary, and I may call IPAC. All these decisions were all taken together. Tell you all can even sometimes Krasimbi ba electoral commission in the party for no. Monko drain on a monfamra.
Dear Nasa.
Niasi say nani say.
Omoma IPAC. Yes, that's Omoma IPAC.
Oh, since Mami Jim Mensa, na Mami Jim Mensa, I didn't hear Macra didn't worry Hoga Grand say. Yenine ye Juma as IEA coordinator. Me kahon and ye call Akusumboko ye this kind of drafting, send the electoral commission winner. I was part of it. I've been part of all these processes. Dina Mami Jim Mensa and Koko electoral commission. Ya been senka. Niema nka fanka niema no keka ne ye no dwene ho no nkode no ko ami bai se no no abedi atomo a hwe emra ene ye gina so ye bibia o emra electoral commission electoral commission because of emra unimra into ontimi monitoring nka so no obe ne ope ontimi eya dwen party said dem kra na ene emra no ebo abura entimi nya adwuma ye baye since ye coin no ne abani say unso church mo ka bibi say first no ye ka say political party we bia fa ba ko bra na ye say okay mo makin na mumum ne bia munyi ba ko nkan ho this time ye kwa bibia ye say ye ntoaba
amukobi
tiemi oh before I be free ho ye ma e free ho na me gire we ye kwa parties asabi omuni office kra ebi kra ni 10 office was Ghana ebi kra mpo no aye dead and gone ni a revival in the 24 parties ye ba na je NDC me vote back UGM me vote back ye were 137 people of parliament. One some 138 people were parliament.
37 plus 1.
Apart from that, nothing will be a new electoral committee. No political party, only even 5%. No political party apart from the two major parties. Near IPAC, near Kwako Junwa. Yes, who more Makina, Yena, Mobian to Ababako.
One crumb,
Obian to Ababako. And he made dear Bakwa. Na ebia PPP omsomo de bako. So how do you expect say you better take any meaningful decision?
Sa nkomo we no. Nye na ashasi. Say political parties na M1 number in court. Representation, they've always had representation.
Yes, but they come together and select one. So for example,
now what 24 they want me for one. 24
political parties now. How many parliamentarians now?
But a political
how
party.
Many parliamentarians now?
Minyi ni se mo
ye kwa kotoba ye kwa ko ye we election.
Minyi ni se mo hihye wa IPAC. Mo ka say aje political parties with representation in parliament.
Very good. What are some papa baba? Aye tamana jimense ye connect wa aye. Ni wo general secretary program bi. We did it for only political parties with representation in
but that's different.
No, I'm coming. I just want you to understand say into wo Ghana any US moko UN mo bobre pe won Ghana Togo any Russia omko UN mo bobre pe we are then there are people who are stakeholders with larger interests. MPP NDC ye name said they are the larger interest major stakeholders are bibiba yane kayen. In fact, for the unforeseeable future, no, me who say political party be betting me even 10 officers in parliament. Ni eba wo si na entrance nka ye kansa asem we ye kansa asem we say debi enye sa emmoa ye nya ne se na afarijan oye ne no ye nya ne se na charlotte o say ye no ye nya ne se ye be take decision bi a political parties na omu ina abom no omu ina abom a omu nu 2%
tumunyi
1 ni ye kite bi a 45% we no mu kite bi a 46% no ye no ye mfa 2 na mu mfa mu 1 no beso so ni den ni enya musidebi ye ko trema ye den because de bi asem bi e be ko bi e bebo egu asem bi e be ko bi e bebo
mu di asem pa na e kwa na mo na mo
asem papa ye de kon say how can we ba say constitution say nipa bia no so e o say register wa 1 o say we Ghana ni 2 o say we 18 years and above anameboa 3 and say bia wo any problem you know what must say
sound mind.
Now, Jane Waba said, "Debbie, send Adiana no, ye the Ghana card on Kwane Bay." And I see Debbie. Ghana card no. Oka so the Ghana card on Kwaya. And I yankasa ba out to say over 2 million people are on your issue of Mukadama. And this time within this short time, so only me issues those cars. And ye use the guarantor system, which is recognized across the world.
But minimum challenge, you know, this is a continuous registration.
It doesn't matter.
And there's no limitation.
No, but you see, even though it's continuous registration, there are times that you open it up and take it to the doorsteps of the people. For example, one of the things that Yetia, Nessa Opesa Uyeno, district offices. In the infant, so Ubi wo Kade office. Na Ubi T should be. Ana oti assume so baba register so faka fi assume e bakidans wa register
anodi
masa asema ye kanu asema ye very practical and the electoral commission ya kan say one yan ye kura untimi yan kura and the fako electoral areas
spread
it to the electoral areas and access to the people who be share ekrofita na ekrofita akweti o obi fi ekrofita ba besi akweti aba register no ade obeje de indeed what we are indeed anya sambako ensem for example ya can accessibility to the polling stations ya can the issue of Ghana card yes entiase se obeka se against the constitution.
But at what point now the previous administration, a suggestion, I think it became a law or it was something we were waiting for.
Now I'm coming to
Ghana card.
No, I'm coming. It's not. There's no law. There's no law like that. There's no law like that. There's no law. The law states, say, a person may use as his identification, a gun, a card issued, issued by the Electoral National Identification Office. Yankase, you must use it. The BSA, you may use it. No.
Okay.
And this you may use it, and it can be one of the identification process. In the end, suggestion is I think the moment you use it because up to now, no, NIA cast no, I feel the gusu ayo. I think the moment you use it alongside the guarantor system until the time we are all satisfied. Say Ghana in India, the enya ne card. Musi debi. Mo kramponu sometimes grano mo old cards grandpa mo use grano mo si mo nya den. Inti enfan say bi obi eto aba 1992 and not to aba 1994 no get old card but new register when me and register no ba register. Osu wa card no kra issue no de ba onyi to. Wa wo de na issue no. Oso mbe. Inti asem na ye kan yen ka say any electoral commission we have a problem. They said the woman must do the right thing.
If you don't go to meetings,
you go to meeting. 24 people against 23 against one.
Minority leader in a press conference.
Well, Yasaba, I was here to come on to what I'm saying. Lots of text messages. Some say, Yajibre from experienced men to walk us through a electoral commission IPAC and some of these CIs and LIs. Nabotre, I feel quite a room with Yankasa. Baba, nti kwa se na fe o
me o 5 minutes. No 7 minutes.
No, consultant for the other one also obey bias bia.
Electoral commissions from BCI.
Yeah.
And I'm saying this on authority. Say, NDC was asked to bring a rep. Team U. We nominated Alaji Huduyaya. He's alive. Alaji Huduyaya, nominating or ho and invitation say Obeba IPAC, Obeba committee no for us to look at this CI no. According to him, about 2-3 days no, another call say they have postponed the meeting and that after they will communicate the new date to him. New date now, my who in the CIA. That is why I'm telling you, say, what has we Afrijan in near Charlotte or say was to ensure say every political party, especially the two major ones, who's the first not CPP or representative. At a point, not PNC or representative, and a CPP was representative. The time I know IE in the crown, that these were the 4 political parties. So when you lose your money in parliament, and these smaller parties continues to lose their base. I'm not saying they are not political parties, but I'm saying that they cannot have the same stake as NDC and MP.
Okay.
So what we are telling the Electoral Commission is until the Electoral Commission say, because, and let me make this difference clear. We boycotted IPAC meeting. We didn't boycott the Electoral Commission. In the Electoral Commission programs, some organizing way outside this, we attend. In the IPAC, we boycotted Electoral Commission.
When you say
there's a difference between boycotting a meeting, betomu.
It is the Electoral Commission can say Juma de Moko platform na interparty.
And no ye platform sabe according to us no yentimi nye meaningful decision bia.
By Electoral Commission engagement.
By Electoral Commission engagement and everything we have been doing. But let me land on this one important matter. Ghana card. In the Ghana card no krano, there is a guarantee system. Timi. So ko Ghana card. Guarantee system. Into corner say be woni bibia obetuma akire woni pe betuma ko gina hono akire say oh fa ise bra nipa mienu we mini family dis no adenti na Ghana card na wo se be use ana eno de betuma use guarantee system ne ba ho de wo guarantee system ni ho meanwhile Electoral Commission and I akase already no about 2 million backlog no nya de ombetumi aye
Omonka so nya de
within the time I'm talking about within the time. And I'm specific. I mean, I choose my words well. Within that specific time. And then say who in the Electoral Commission is urging them to speed up. And I remember.
Yeah.
It is not possible to say the new voters now on mobile register. Okay, so insist so be Ghana card nemra. You will disenfranchise some people. For now, let's allow the guarantee system. Let's use other means. Now, you make sure so constitution, which is embrapom. A man who wants to register, register. But why not is that? That why we use our law because when you insist that obey you see everything. Ghana card, you are breaking the law. You are against the constitution.
So Baba Kaime, mo time no. Mrawe no. Nana mo shise.
Yes.
Mandatory use of national identity card. 7.1 or say a national identity card issued to an individual shall be used for the following transactions where identification is required. A. Application for an issuance of a passport. B. Application for an issuance of a driver's license. 3. Application for an issuance of the opening of individual or personal bank accounts. Purchase of insurance policies. Purchase, transfer, and almost everything.
Go to the first paragraph. The operative word is there.
Sure.
In every law, there's a operative word. No, read it. Let me tell you.
A national identity card issued to an individual.
Let's educate the people. No, hold on. Issued.
Yeah.
So until it is issued, it cannot be.
But who has stopped somebody from not
take your
receiving
time.
that card?
The system.
Yeah, the system is that once you are issued,
then that becomes the basis for your identification.
But there's an ongoing process of issuance.
Don't rush. Don't rush. The operative word there is issued. So until you are issued with the card, that does not become a requirement for your identification.
Until the issuance.
Until the issuance. So that's the operative word. Issued by, and unfortunately, the issuing authority. It is not your fault that the issue authority is saying, until me and issue ni now within this time. I have fought. And they say, okay, say, me no me person me but me ko wa de bia among for we ko erwa ko we. Among for go omo try somewhere no muntimi ya wo say no nti say me ko register electoral commission o ma me register. Is that right? So look at the operative word of the law.
Until
you are issued with the card. No? And they say what the Electoral Commission should be doing is to collaborate with the NIA.
But that's the exact collaboration that is ongoing.
So until that is done, it's a prerequisite. Until anunu be sieno, untimi nkase, ye issue yenti, mi papa will be registered.
Obiankasa.
But that is what he's saying.
So no, in fairness, the
moment will be back say, the moment will be back say, me because one can say, say Electoral Commission say, and some problems are only you Uganda card. No, until it's issued or when we do law. Now this one also be at the end clear. Until the card is issued, if as a result of a name fault, that's a man me card nubia. Ubi crampo my yes on maybe 1 month to 2 months and run regular will be by my office. Or see or no, and then
repeat you.
On a monco table, no one Electoral Commission couldn't come on. Through platform, monco table, we are
there's no may catch your planes there. We table now, but the table is cute.
Okay,
simple. Table is favorable.
92. Yeah, two about presidential and MPPC. About Ankoyi Electoral Commission, no more be in the stolen verdict. In the boycott to parliamentary election. Parties are normal so many NDC were one side. Our money NDC were alliance. And no mutiti omumu. Some constant, no more parliament. Eagle ne on kaka hon. Omu no more near NDC alliance. Ya boycott to no mutiti omu ko. Nti ne NDC etra ka se se no more
more alliance am back.
For a particular
you are using the word alliance.
No, but clearly it's in support.
Yes.
At that particular moment,
at that point,
parties be back IPAC. Na mo mpa omo Tamana DPP ni Eagle ni sango for no buy pack.
Na mo pay.
I make makasi empomo.
Mo so ma ho ode clearly that is to say in fact o ma ho ode.
Na interrupt you say that my ye di. Akọ court wa wi o sabi. Aja be obi ya dey o problem. Eh? We dey objection. Ejibese parties ye na azam sikasi atra pack. You vote to a order. Me, if you am got time pack. And guys say, I vote to in years 25, no year 3. You vote to a order. More pack more back. The power car, you are very important, mamma. And on report to the
I've been there.
Tamana, a founder leader, or buy pack, or buy no. Yama can be an also your friend. Yama can be a president. I say, Mumma, it's more man, because can also of Waswa. I don't money abre say kwa dogo oni seat or parliament di mo ngasa ana mo nche na adwen na nukware wo mu a wose mo kama obi a tene se April 2021 NSC educate lead press conference say IPAC there muzi obio adentia money nje election across say near easy handle elections. That was your main reason. Google. Google is there.
Some of the reasons.
That was not the basis.
No. Now, most of your reservations.
April 2021.
Your reservations has nothing to do with this. No.
IPAC boycott is different.
Emma, who can say?
IPAC boycott is different. No.
You know, sir. You know, sir.
Electoral Commission Assembly account.
You know, Emma, NDC can say they will review their working relationship with EC at the appropriate time. Review no matter. And then there be a IPAC meeting. Notice, Omuma Mobi. You can't baby the Ebisa. So the mama NDC notice. Oh, you see, you have evidence. You from some mama. Evidence, you almost mama. Moana must say until somebody remove position, they must see IPAC. And they acquire their contrast in their kayasem. And no crampo. Yami Adom, Parliament, Social Legislation Committee. I was a chairman for a whole term. I made the procedure by say, who belay CIA. Yensia committee, no, not committee no bobo, not committee in Tintin, no money in to it's part of stakeholder consultation. We are what me alley. It got to speakers who were not even in favor of this pre-laying. But you belay legislative instrument and not constitutional instrument. Belay na and go to 21 sitting days. We believe we are very far about committee. The report beba. They did 21 sitting days. 2 tests and yan tuma and yamra. 2 tests and to stop na bayamra. When EC came, they brought minutes of meetings. I discussed how they way. That's the reasons by. Now, baby, I not me start here. Now me to end this in about 4. Or by basis no say. Why about basis? Because okay location. I agree with you on location. Say, Emfa say, people south. Now, the state office, the state office, I will bria. And just will be a park robbery, custody no man. He didn't also be. It's the idea of it easy for trans, like I say. Continuous registration in Grano, you pay more than 1 center. Simple. Now, convenient,
very convenient.
I don't know.
You raise a very critical point.
And don't get the impression, say, maybe I'm getting impression, say, a Ghana card, no. And before going to crack Ghana card, and it's for the money be. Don't create that impression. Say, you can't say, Ghana card, ever after to be after to one side.
But is the Electoral Commission do away with the register?
No.
No, there is
a press conference said they are doing away with the register.
Yeah, but that's dangerous.
That's dangerous. How do you interpret the law?
No, Baba, that is very dangerous. When you push out, because right now, your general secretary, Mr. Esierunketia alluded to the fact that he suspected the commission wanted to change the law by doing away with the 2020 register by their history and cited the use of the National Health Insurance card to support his claim since they had been there before.
This is the
and that is serious.
Chairman
this is the
Legislation Committee.
No, one part of what we're
Chairman, former Deputy Attorney General. Charles Wembayano, okay, say a mogu. Or challenging this was how do you interpret the law this way? You can't interpret the law this way because you were clause repealing a year. Say you did bravo for a bar. Yeah, they are ashamed say bravo for a day bay. A better take effect. Yeah, that I know. You pass away. I'm a dad and nephew. In doing that, you save some clauses. I'm going to interpretation. I'm saying which I say.
So that's my worry. We have a duty to speak to the matters truthfully.
Can you imagine?
Because suggestions are fantastic. So what I said that we can look at proximity. Yes. It makes a lot of sense. But if we misrepresent the situation, now you cheat out for no, a certain feelings, obi person will be a bukata, and I can stakes near high no. But this conversation, the stakes cannot be high.
So
Ana Ghana card where you know ni bi.
Ana Ghana card no so kwa no. NDC for ni pe o dem bebre ni card ni bi. You don't know even the affiliation.
You don't know the affiliation. So CPP didn't know the Ghana card. I don't drink asa.
They di kan pa. Intrahan kaze. Nkaze mu ina no. Nkaze electoral commission be new register. I've not said so. This
no, that's all.
Please. The chairman himself. I am saying that the chairman's press conference never said that there was going to be.
No. On a Kosi.
Me pacho. We are different from Kosi. Kosi Sanga who be a fire. How do we know that? Two. Me son kan baby I say NPP phone kwa nekuta Ghana card. Me Ghana card wa. Everybody, me family na ubia on Ghana card. I purposely took them to the center and did it. So and to me, I have no problem with those things. But we speak as a political partner. You have the interest of everybody.
Encourage.
And to me, we have been. encouraging. We have been encouraging. How can you say
but more resisting?
Yeah, resisting because you see, Bravo.
Bonyono taro. It was so careful.
We are careful.
Yes, we are friend with my Ghana card. But one you careful.
We have to understand that when you bring a proposal. Yes, that's it. Uba yana line who can sing ya me. Yeah, mami can do.
We
except we are careful. When you back on it down all the time. Yes,
because only dangerous. Ghana. Bravo, now shift from Kwame Nkrumah. One who attitude Ghana business. One who attitude Ghana. Into when one more there.
Be careful.
You have to be careful. But you see, what is very important? On a more serious note, what is very important, me pursue BRT as an electoral commission. IPAC as it stands now, as a political party, we don't see it favorable for us to attend the meeting. For now.
Until when?
For now.
So those
for now.
Changes are effective.
Until those
political
things
parties
that we are taking. Say, can we see vote to IPAC that? Master, me the last IPAC I me na me boycott. It's on record. Because when we went to know, tell me, when we went to know,
delegation by no, they be kasi, be dizzy, be
kasa group, bidding count, me any group, oh, na but bidding count, I me graphics, and a Matthew also, yeah, 3 near so at Matthew, you call you know, and almost same be by that time it was on the of course in the party matters in the what we are saying is the IPAC assistance now say yen yeboko transfer na electoral commission beka so and this obia beka 10 minutes till obia beka 10 minutes and this can 10 minutes and this can 10 minutes I said time I boycott into mo ye mo niam ho no de minim me kata ma me na me ko Obi akasa 10 minutes and this akasa 10 minutes and people akasa 10 minutes. PPP, UGM, you can call and then Obi akasa 10 minutes. But who call you and Krana? There are differences. You need to recognize one more major stakeholders. And this Opa now Oba be decide you decide oh when Ebia MPP Yabemo be 20 minutes. And this year, 20 minutes ago, Mama Horn the near day is all good. Mama can be a mom be 5 minutes. So what must say? Oh, Ukasi next picture. Why are you pretending as if I've never been to IPAC?
No, that's okay. 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Are you saying you call IPAC? We don't allow people to speak.
You allow people to speak. We don't tell anybody.
No, I know.
Every time
I am telling you, sir.
You don't tell anybody.
Very well. But make us a time. Make us a time. But when we go, we all agree. Sometimes, for purpose of time, management of time. Oh, everybody should speak maybe for 5 minutes, whatever. Yes, yeah, man, but you can't. Oh, but you agree with me that for meeting management purpose, you know, when you go to meeting, they won't allow one person to speak forever. And this year, corner kasa. Of course, but kasa kakra. Na, yama, Christian, bibi, no more pajamas. No almost so much kasa. No more baba, you know, and the quite, you know, Mammy can play. I back as it stands now. It's not a favorable platform for us as a major political party.
So lay your condition so that we can appeal to the electoral commission.
Condition is very. We don't have a condition. We are asking for fair play. We are asking for equity. Now, IPAC. We are asking IPAC say enough for the giant. Obama political parties I take a decision.
No, we have
the two name a year. And yeah, now I then we see then we have a progress. We are assessing to say see I am Kokoye Bay. See I am Kokoye Bay, Munamabia. A bed then this a control say Munga some of the Ghana card on Kokoye. But because you didn't invite our representative, even though you gave us the opportunity, let's see who Yaya is alive. Move friend na mum say your friend from meeting no it's your own friend be man.
I see.
So that is the thing. It is clear, sir.
I don't
you are not prepared. Yes.
Or the allegation.
No, but we also support you.
We support them.
I understand it.
I don't speak for you. The allegation, but when you say
no. In our press conference. In our press conference. This was. Oh, me patcho, me see. In this.